Hello students, today we'll start with a new topic, that is sedative and hypnotics. So as you are seeing that the patient is lying and sleeping, we can say the patient it is in a sedative state or in a hypnotic. So there is a underlying difference between both. Seeing with the definition, the drugs that are used to slow down or depress the function of the central nervous system. These are your CNS depressions. So first is your sedative. Sedative, it is a CNS depression drugs that reduces the excitement and tension along with the produce calmness and relaxation, and they produce an intermediate degree of central nervous depression without producing a sleep. So the patient is not in a sleep, but it will be in a state of calm and relax. Second is your hypnotics, central nervous system. Hypnotics is also a seen as depression, but it produces a sleep similar to the natural sleep. So sedative and hypnotic actions is present in the same drug. At small dose act as a sedative, and at a large dose it is act as a hypnotics. So first, we will talk about the insomnia, where these all sedative and hypnotics are given. So, what is insomnia? Insomnia is a sleep disorder that is characterized by difficult in falling asleep or inability of a person to obtain enough quality of sleep. So, what are the symptoms of insomnia? First is your difficult falling asleep. Patient after waking up often during the night and having a trouble going back to the sleep. Walking feeling tired while walking earlier than desired. So these are the condition of insomnia. Some of the symptoms of insomnia include like headaches because of lack of sleep, inability to focus, same lack of sleep due to lack of sleep, intestinal distress, dizziness, difficulty falling asleep, feeling of exhaustion. So these all are the symptom of insomnia. There are some types of insomnia. First is your acute insomnia, which is a short-term insomnia, and second is your chronic insomnia, which is present for a more month or a longer period. So acute insomnia, it is a common type insomnia, also known as transient insomnia, and occur due to stress and present for short duration of time. So the time will be below month. Second is your chronic insomnia, which is present for a month or longer, and further it divided into two categories: primary insomnia and secondary insomnia. So the primary insomnia means that a person is having a sleep problems that are not directly associated with any other health condition or problem, or when there is no any medical or psychiatric conditions. So it is a primary insomnia. And secondary insomnia means that a person is having a sleep problem because of something else, due to some health conditions, like the patient having asthma, depression, arthritis, cancer, or a heartburn, or a pain, or he's taking a medication or a substance that are using like alcohol, or when there is a presence of any medical or psychiatric disorder. So, what are the causes? Main cause of the insomnia is stress, or some psychiatric or mental disorders, or here we have listed some drugs which causes the insomnia, like CNS stimulants, antihypertensive drugs, nicotine, corticosteroid, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, theophylline, levodopa, or sometimes deficiency of GABA activity in central nervous system also causes insomnia. So what is sleep? The patient having insomnia due to lack of sleep. And what is sleep? A sleep is a duration and a pattern of sleep varies considerably among the individuals. Age has an important effect on the quality and the depth of the sleep. A sleep can be said as an architectured cyclic process. So there are different phases of sleep and characteristics and their characteristics. Stage 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. They are basically divided into 5 phases. First is your awake, where dozing, unequal sleep, deep sleep, transition, cerebral sleep. So every sleep has a specific characteristics, like your first stage 0, that is a awake position, the patient lying down to falling asleep, and occasionally nocturnal awakenings. It constitute 1 to 2% of the sleep time. And if we do, the EEG shows the activity when the eyes are closed and the beta activity when eyes are open. Okay, alpha activity when eyes are closed and beta activity when the eyes are open. Eye movements are irregular or slowly rolling. And in stage 1, that is your dosing stage, in this the alpha activity is interpressed with beta waves. Eye movements are reduced, but there may be burst of rolling. Neck muscles relaxes and occupy 3 to 6% of sleep time. Third stage is stage 2, which is an unequivocal sleep, where delta waves with instrepus spindles. K complex can be evoked on sensory stimulation and little eye movement. Subjects are easily arousable, and it comprises of 40 to 50% of the sleep time. Next stage is 3, deep sleep transition, where the EEG shows delta and eta and spindle activity, and K complex can be evoked with strong stimuli only. Eye movements are fewer. Subjects uh, are not easily arousable and comprises of 5 to 8% of the sleep time. Next is your stage 4, that is a cerebral sleep, where the delta activity predominates in EEG and K complex cannot be evoked and eyes are practically fixed. Subjects are difficult to arouse and the night terror may occur at this time. It comprises of 10 to 20% of the sleep time. During the 2 and 3 and 4 stage, heartbeat, blood pressure and respiration are steady and muscles are relaxed, and the stage 3 and 4 together are called a slow wave sleep, that is SWS. Next is your REM sleep, that is paradoxical sleep. Here the EEG has waves of all frequency. K complex cannot be elicited. There are marked irregular and darting eye movement. Dreams and nightmares occurs, which may be recalled if the subjects are aroused. Here the heart pressure and blood pressure fluctuate. Respiration is irregular. Muscles are fully relaxed, but irregular body movements occur occasionally. And the erections occurs in males. About 20 to 30% of the sleep time is spent in REM, that REM. Normally, the stage of 0 to 4 and REM occurs in succession over a period of 80 to 100 minute, and then the stages 1 to 4 REM are repeated cyclically. Thank you.